Today marks 10 years since a large outbreak of tornadoes hit our state. We saw 30 here in Indiana alone, with the strongest twister reaching EF3 strength. It was the largest outbreaks of tornadoes here in Indiana for the month of November, and it's the second largest outbreak overall in our state's history. And I think that story emphasizes that we can get severe weather just about any time of the year.
I was just about to ask Sean. I didn't think that tornadoes hit in
Oh
November.
yeah, it can happen anytime, given the ingredients.
Right.
I remember that day quite well.
Yeah.
It was a long day for us. Thankfully, no injuries here, unfortunately, across the state line. There was an EF4 in Washington, Illinois.